we're gonna go make some cookies. Because you like cookies.
You guys ready for this? Okay. This is the first for me.
Alright guys, so we have two different types of flour here. What we found is that mixing them together
It's a perfect blend.
It's a perfect blend.
found
One's a higher in protein and one's a higher in starch.
Starch, right. So as you see, as it collides, it creates a reaction
Yeah.
that will then only be experienced later once you eat the cookie.
Yeah.
And if you don't pour them in at the same time, and if you're not best friends when you do it, won't work.
Yeah.
So go ahead, man.
Go.
There,
All of it?
I saved you some.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
See, that's, there you go. So then after that, we
You're gonna lift it up.
lift it up
Yep.
and shake it. Yes.
You got it.
I'm not sure, just like this?
Exactly.
Exactly like this.
It's looking good.
So what you're doing, you're aerating the ingredients.
I'm aerating, so you say your stuff's softer so that I can say it well. I'm aerating the ingredients,
Yeah, which is very important.
which is adding air to the ingredients. This is where all your dreams come true.
Yeah.
What kind of flavor would you say the friendship is going to add? Is it going to be like nutty? What can I expect?
Well, I think that a lot of times cookies can be pretty sweet. So to add a little bit of salty
Yeah.
is
That's what the friendship adds to this particular
a little bitter sometimes.
Yeah.
But
I don't know if you've ever had the spice resentful, but it's
Yeah.
delicious
Yeah.
if paired with enough sweetness. Anytime we cook in our own homes, anyone who's in the home while we're doing it says, please stop telling me everything you're doing.
Yeah.
But we just can't help it. So this is the perfect opportunity for us to walk you through exactly what we do almost every day.
And if you like walnuts or pecan, there you go.
So we're gonna come around with the silicone baking mat, and you're gonna place your new ball of joy on there.
Wow. Is this the order in which they were baked?
Okay.
This one's mine.
Mine was this one.
Dude, that looks good.
That's mine right there.